on the opposite side of the kitchen where there's a different reflection so I can see what that looks like. So, yeah, I thought about doing something like that, but I don't know how that would. Color and then paint a full door and confirm it looks good. I like the shades aren't bad that I have. Which I should have done this. That was the color, and then once I painted it, I'm like, what the heck? If I really hate it, I just have someone come in and spray the whole kitchen, and just to do a different color at that point. If it was really that bad, but it'll be fine.
Have you used this guy before for your paint?
I'm gonna paint the structure because they're doing the doors when they bring them in. So I have the option for them to paint, but it would literally take me probably an hour. So, and I don't even want to know what the quote is because I'm sure it'll be like $2,000 between the prep. I love my dad's cabinets, but A, they're not painted. They're,
Wood?
Yeah, but I like how dark they are.
Right now.
Mine?
Yeah.
They're just the original maple or whatever.
You can stain them darker. Have you ever thought of that?
Well, I'm getting new doors.
Oh.
I want a whole different, modern, updated look. But Andrea's friend had the same thing done and referred me to him. And when I called him, and I said, okay, I can do that. I can wait. You want me to do it September? I'll wait till September. October, I'll wait. I don't want to wait a year, but I'll wait like 6 months to
Do the whole thing?
the whole cabinets because it's just easy as throwing them in. Where all of his jobs that he has now, he can't fluctuate this between those jobs. So, well, like, it was kind of scary at first, and then he kind of started cracking jokes when he was hinges. When you're mad, you can't slam stuff. And I kind of laughed. He goes, I did this for my daughter, and I told her that, and she still makes a way to slam it. And it kind of made me laugh. I was like, oh, all right, you got jokes. All right. My shoulder's getting pinchy.
See a side of me you've never seen.
It hurts. You put some more aloe on it. It's just my left one.
Must have been the way the sun was.
I know. It's.
Not yet.
But yeah, Pinterest has been my friend. And I looked on TikTok at Sherwin Brown, and it's like a medium, not dark, but it's slightly darker than a medium brown. So I'm gonna have to look at that later when I go and see.
Someone's done with that.
I was done with that.
Me three.
A little too much banjo.
You listen to that the way to work.